Good afternoon, everybody. A update from our investor point of view, a partner point of view, and the property point of view on the property we bought in Bloemfontein. Our investor's been onboarded. They've invested the money, we've put into the account already, and we started to pay our suppliers. It was bought via an installment sale, so the legal fees have been paid off. The other cost is all the refurbishment, which we're doing on the kitchen, to actually add a kitchen. And the reason for that is at some point, if you want to get finance on these kind of properties, you need to have a kitchen. And so we learned from our first property that what we need is a bare minimum requirement for these units. These are Airbnb units. It doesn't need to be anything fantastic. But what we're doing is we're adding a nice kind of glow to the place. Some nice tiles, nice mirror, kind of nice set top. Nice utensils, kind of nice appliances. And it just stands out from the competitors in the place. Now, I've mentioned it before on the previous property is that we've already taken occupation. We had 9,000 Rand in revenue last month from that property. Once this kitchen gets going, we'll be able to start generating the same kind of revenue as we're doing with the first unit. And the nice part is they're both next door to each other. So when you have this big enough, it's double bed in that kind of room, when you have people traveling, they've got kids, they can obviously stay right next door to each other, which is a great kind of incentive for the other units in the property. So from an investor's point of view, they've invested their money, we're starting to earn income, we should be paying back within 1 year, we paid back at 10%. We've got them on board of the whole process. So they're seeing the OTPs, they're seeing the emails that are going back and forth, they're seeing the decisions we make, why we make them, so they're actually getting a full-on view around how it's like to be, or what it's like, sorry, to be a property investor. And they're learning from this. So that they can go on and do their own elsewhere if they wish, or carry on investing with us again in the future. From a partnership perspective, this is now the first property in PE Homes, formerly Qqeberha, now it's called Qqeberha. And our partner over there, Nick, has been fully onboarded as well. He's utilizing our system, and we put this property into PE Homes. We managed by PE Homes because we want to get the revenue and the profit from this first property into our first partnerships as an Airbnb to start generating revenue. And that then pays for all the costs, so the business costs of the banking, the accounting, the advertising costs, the website costs, the hosting, such that we don't have to put any more of my own money into a new partnership, and it just self-sustains itself. So we're using paid advertisement to generate leads, which comes to us. That's how we find these kind of properties, and then we buy these kind of properties. And majority, they are below market value. This particular one was a good 15% below market value. We signed up a loan agreement with the guy as well to sweeten that deal, to make it kind of get a bit of a discount, in so much as that there was a shortfall between the actual bond and what's required. That's all been signed up. An installment sale agreement has all been signed up, and it's ready to go. I'm going to follow this on with the video that Heinrich, our partner in Bloemfontein, has taken, just to show what the small unit looks like to generate in revenue 9,000 Rand a month. And like I say, we're not paying mortgage just yet because the first one hasn't transferred. But when it does, we're looking at probably around 4,000 Rand a month at its current status. Looking for December, we're looking to ramp that up and get that occupancy up to about 75, 80, and then we should be able to double that kind of revenue. Hope this has helped everybody, and chat soon.
Good afternoon to all. This is Heinrich from Bloem Homes here. We are busy with our renovations on the Airbnb unit for PE Homes, which we are assisting them with. As you can see, there's still a lot that needs to be done, but yeah, I will send a video a little bit later of the finished product and see where we are at the moment. This is quite a cool project that we are busy with, and we are very happy and glad to be able to be assisting PE Homes with this. Thank you very much.